Hello everyone! Hello Zumba people, welcome to Tahitian Fitness. And today we are going to discuss very quick for just a few minutes about how to do the right postures and arms in Tahitian dance. Yeah, we're gonna start with checking our body alignment. Okay, I want you to really check, are you aligned? So let's start with the neck here. Everybody neck tall when you dance. Even if you don't have a neck like me, I don't have a neck, guys. You know, the turtle neck is right here to me, but it's fine, yeah. But when I dance, I really neck tall, yeah. Second thing, ladies, the shoulders. Can you overall the shoulders backwards and your shoulder blades? Show me your shoulder blades, super ladies. Can you make them almost touch together? Okay, yes. So I really want to see this improvement with all of us, yeah. Yes. Okay, and you see naturally, you see, right? Naturally, it becomes like this. Now you see why dancers, they all look like elongated, right? Because they do this. Okay, so shoulders, neck, shoulders, and then neck, shoulders, and arms. Okay, arms here, make sure it's spread out. Okay, don't dance like this. Don't dance like this. Okay, yes. Spread your wings. Be proud of yourself. The more you are proud of yourself, the more you will be dancing open. Okay? And then number 4, everybody say hands. Alright, who agree that the hands is very important in Tahitian dance? It's really the thing that makes it look really beautiful, right? So those hands, everybody, show me those hands here. And can you cup it? Like what? Like carrying something here, like some flowers. You cup it. You have little cups here, okay? And then you're going to point your index finger. Everybody, show me your index finger out. And cup it. Cup and index out. Okay. Yes, and at all time we do this. Unless we have open hands. Yeah, that is a different story. But at all time we cup those hands and look really nice. Okay, so that's the hands. Next number, the pelvis. Okay, everybody think Tahitian dance is about the knees or the hips. It's not. It's about the pelvis. Okay, it's really this, yeah? So really move that pelvis, all right? Everybody face here. Yes. Align yourself, remember, neck tall, shoulder blades back. Yes, super ladies, looking like superstars now. And then with the pelvis, look at my pelvis. I'm gonna tuck it in a neutral position. You have to dance like this. Bend your knees. Now that's the knees. Okay, so everybody stay like this just for a few seconds. Check yourself. How do you look? So tuck that pelvis in. Everybody face towards the mirror, please. Check that your feet are close to each other and then your feet are pointing forward the same direction. Don't dance like this. Okay, grab the floor with your toes. No need too hard, but grab it. Yes, and now you know you are stable like a tree. So movement, okay, movement. So movement, graceful hands. Show me your cup hands and the index out, and the gracefulness comes from the wrist. Okay, show me your wrist here. Yes, super ladies. Okay, just this. I see some beautiful hands. Don't count your fingers, just the wrist. And let's go in 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and count in 4 and 3. Count with me. And 2 and 1. 4 more in 4 and 3. Don't move your fingers. And 2 and 1. Last 4 in 4. In your back and 3 your back and 2. And 1. Woo. And then next one. Everybody say moving the hips. Okay, when you move the hips, you don't move anything else. This does not move. Okay, yes. This does not move. The arms does not move. Okay, and your fingers, some people are moving the fingers when they roll the hips, they move the finger. Yes, I think it's linked together. Yeah, no, okay? So nothing moves here. I want you to improve this today. So hop, let's go and move those hips. Circle, circle, circle. Let's go. Nothing else moves but your pelvis. Come on, can you push your pelvis? Yes, be careful. Some of you are doing this. Maybe you are getting there, but you're doing this. This is moving. I know it's really difficult. And go. Don't move your upper body. And look relaxed and smile. Forward. Where are your feet? Are your feet aligned and your knees? Yes. In 1. There we go. And 2. And open up your hands. Neck toe. Shoulder blades together and release. The last few things, okay? Arm, upper body and arms still. Okay, when we move the hips, yeah. And then last thing, facial expression. Last thing is facial expression. Ladies, your face when you dance Tahitian don't have the same face for 3 minutes. It's a bit weird. Yes, if you like this. For 3 minutes. Okay, have some expression, look natural. If you feel like passionate, yeah, you show the passion. All right, if you don't know what to do with your face, the best is to sing. All right, let's get started. Shake everything. Neck toe, shoulders back, shoulder blades together. Yes, pelvis tuck in. Ooh. Knees, bend and relax. Feet facing forward. We get this. Yes, neck toe, hold on a minute. There we go, touch the sky. I know, if you don't have a neck, just try. All right, now let's go with the arms. Extend those arms and have those fingers and point the index. All right, and look relaxed. I know. It's not relaxing, but you try to look relaxed, okay? There you go. Now, when we move our hips, okay, we do not move the upper body, not the arms, not the fingers. We don't move the fingers when we rotate, yeah? And the facial expression. Okay, I'm going to call out some expressions. Stay here. I say happy. Show me a happy expression. I say fierce, show me a fierce expression, okay? And then I say loving, show me a loving expression. What's a loving? Ooh, something like this, all right? Okay, bend your knees, check your posture, top to bottom, ready? There we go, and relax, there. Happy, here right, left, happy, 1, 2, 3, 4. Annie, big circle. Still happy? Still happy? Yes. There we go. And we go like this. Don't move, don't move. Remember your arms? Yes. And fierce. Fierce. Right up fierce. I want to smile. Okay, there we go. There. Open and loving. We don't move this. Yes. We don't move this. Ready? There we go. Loving. Go. And we go. Ooh. How is it the loving face? How is the loving face? In awe. In awe. Yes. And fast roll. Happy, happy. Go. 1, 2, don't move. 3, arms. In 1, 2, and kiss. Remember the graceful hands. Your chin, your back, your neck. And we go.